Hey, Sam here from Arden Cabinet here in Sacramento. If you're planning a kitchen or bathroom remodel, you've probably run into this question. Should we do custom cabinets or semi-custom? Today I want to make that choice a lot simpler for you. Many of our clients want a nicer kitchen but don't want to blow their budget. So if you want a kitchen or a bathroom that looks custom without the custom price, this is for you. First up, custom cabinets. Custom means we build everything from the ground up for your exact space. We're not locked into preset sizes. If your wall is a funny length or your walls and ceilings are a little out of level, we design and build around that. You can choose the door style, wood, paint or stain, and storage details down to the inch. Custom is amazing for older Sacramento homes, high-end remodels, or really unique layouts. Now, let's talk about semi-custom cabinets because this is where most people are a little fuzzy. Semi-custom uses a flexible system of cabinet sizes and options. We still design your layout, but instead of building every single box from scratch, we work within adjustable ranges. What does that mean for you? You can, 1, tweak widths and heights in small steps so you don't end up with big awkward fillers. 2, rest assured knowing that semi-custom typically has better construction and build quality than prefab cabinets you get from big box stores. Number 3, choose from a wide range of door styles and finishes, way beyond what you see on a big box shelf like Home Depot or IKEA. You can still add soft close doors, rollouts, trash pullouts, and other smart storage features that are typically in custom cabinets. So it still feels tailored to you, but you're not paying a full custom price or waiting on full custom timelines. Here's the simple way we explain it to clients in the shop. You basically have 3 paths. Path number 1 is prefab or stock cabinet. This is the cheapest path, but you get limited sizes, less flexibility, and usually more fillers and compromises. Remember, fillers mean wasted space and can make cabinets look unsymmetrical. This is the builder basic type of cabinets you often see in new tract homes. Path number 2 is semi-custom. Semi-custom is a sweet spot. More design freedom than prefab for a lot less than full custom, and done faster. You get cabinets tailored to your space and style without paying for every tiny one-off detail of full custom. And path 3 is full custom. This is the all-out option. Maximum flexibility, highest craftsmanship, longest lead time, and the most expensive. Many Sacramento families we work with have been choosing the semi-custom path once they see the difference side by side. Let me give you a quick example. Say you're in a fairly standard 1990s Sacramento home. You want a cleaner, updated look, better storage, and maybe room for trash and recycling pullouts. Full custom would absolutely work, but you may not need to spend that much to get the result you're after. On the other hand, basic stock cabinets will force us into more fillers and fewer options, and will give you that basic builder look. Semi-custom lets us tighten up the gaps in the layout, improve the storage, and give you a custom looking kitchen without going all the way into a custom job cost. Semi-custom also allows us to offer priority timelines, meaning a faster start schedule and a sooner install date. So how do you know what's right for you? At Arden, we've been building cabinets in Sacramento for almost 80 years. Semi-custom lets us use that experience to give you a better kitchen for less. We start by looking at your layout, then we usually show you 4 versions of your project. Version 1 is a full custom option. Then we provide a standard, mid, and premium semi-custom option. You'll see the difference in fit, features, finishes, price, and timing all next to each other, so the decision feels obvious instead of overwhelming. Custom cabinet upgrades deliver strong resale value. Semi-custom helps you capture that without overspending. Prefab, not so much. This is why when you request a quote from us, we don't include a prefab option. If you're in the Sacramento area and you're wrestling with the custom versus semi-custom question, we'd love to talk you through it. You can visit our website to submit our contact form or check out our YouTube channel to see how your cabinets are coming together in real homes. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next project.